Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I am back with a Boxycharm premium unboxing for the month of October. So we will see what they chose to send me and we'll see if we like it or not. The box is a little bit dinged up, but hopefully it'll be okay. I don't think there's any eyeshadows this month. And we have our little friend Lily here because she wouldn't be quiet in the bedroom. Huh. Yeah, I wanted to come say hi to everybody with my gingerbread sweater. Huh. Say I'm ready for winter. So she's with me. Mister's around here somewhere. We got everybody. Everybody. So today on my eyes, I have the Forbidden Fruitcake palette from Too Faced. I caved in and I bought it because I thought it was cute, you know. And that's what it looks like. It's one of the little mini 8-pan palettes. And I like it. I like the look I did today. It's got that color that shifts from like the blue to the brown. And I really like that shade. And the other shades are nice too. So this is just the first time I've used it. So we'll see how we get on with that. And then on my lips, I have, speaking of the devil, Mr. himself, he's right here, ready to roll. On my lips, I have this brand. It's called Smith & Cult. And I think they must be leaving Ulta or they're going out of business. One of two, because they had a lot of their stuff that was like cheap, like $5-6. And this, I was like, did I buy this? And I'm like, oh yeah, I bought it because it was $6 and I needed something to get me to the threshold to get free shipping. And I thought the color of it looked good, and it's not a liquid lipstick, it's just like a regular bullet lipstick. And it's called, the brand is Smith & Cult, and it's called Locked and Lit CBD lipstick. So I don't know about the CBD part. And the shade is Supreme Brown, like one of my favorite colors. It says that it is a weightless, color-rich, and hemp-derived CBD vegan squalane and hyperglide texture. Glide onto lips for weightless moisture and intense color. It doesn't say if I'm gonna get high or not. I'm gonna assume not. CBDs won't get you high. Okay, now let's see what's in the box. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the video. If you do, everybody please help the channel. Give it a thumbs up to try to get the video in the algorithm. That's the word that everybody says. You got to get in the algorithm. So the theme this month is Spellbound. Actually, more looks like a Christmas type thing to me. But I guess there's like smoke and some other stuff in it. So that's the picture. And the first item is my choice item. This was the LYS, what's it called? No Limits bronzer. I have my glasses out for a reason. Remembered my phone with my calculator just on it. Let's see. Okay, this is the LYS No Limits Matte Bronzer. It is $18. It says it's a velvety texture. 18. And easy to blend bronzer with sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls the look all together with a natural matte finish. So I got the shade. What shade did I get? Harmony. This says medium. Kind of hard to pick some of this stuff when they have it online. It's like you can't really see it too well. But this has had really good reviews, and it was sold out at Ulta for a long time. I mean, not Ulta, Sephora. So it has a nice mirror and it's a magnetic closure. So looks like a nice color. It feels really nice. So there's that. Seems like it blends out pretty nicely just for my finger. So that is item number 1. Let's see here. Item number 2, Benefit Georgia Peach Blush. Does have a mirror, and it has this dumb little brush that I have another blush that's from Benefit, and I never have used the brush. So let's see what a swatch of this does for us. What you doing, Miller? It's actually pretty light, so I don't know how many people will really be able to use this. Maybe it has a buildable formula. Yeah, I mean, you can barely see it on it. And the inside of my wrist is very white. So I don't know about that. We'll have to try it out and see. That was, let's see, the Georgia Golden Peach Blush, and that's $30. Wow. $30? No way, huh? Let's see. Next up on the list is the Pericone Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. And this is $35. It says that it is a non-drying formula that cleanses without stripping the skin. And the first cleanser is formulated with Pericone MD's proprietary vitamin C ester, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C to visibly smooth and brighten. It also contains DMAE to visibly lift and copper complex to hydrate and energize the skin. I don't know how they think a cleanser is going to do that when you're washing it and going right down the drain. But I can always use the cleanser, so $35 for that one. Did we add it? Did you add it in, Lily? No? $35. Get on your job, Lily girl. And then next up here we have Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. I don't really like these things. They always like slip. They don't stay where they're supposed to be. Trash people are here making all kinds of noise. What's up with that? Huh, really? Tell them. So these are Filla Collagen Under Eye Pads. And this is $20. And it says, why inject when you can object to dull, tired under eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look like an iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss. Each Filla pad is blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? That was a little bit weird. Looks like a Band-Aid case. Hey, you can reuse the tin for something. At least that's good. So we'll try them out. I'll probably try them out like when I'm doing my makeup or something in the morning, like while I'm doing my eyeshadow or whatnot. And let's see, was that it? Wait, oh no, we got 2 more products. Let's see, what is this? Lilly Lashes. What is this? Lilly Lashes. Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. $65. Results driven lash serum prompting ultimate lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing the overall appearance of natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. And this is $65. I've tried other like lash enhancing things and brow things. My lashes don't need any, like, I don't need any help in that department because I always have mascara, like smear it up above when I guess the mascara is not dry, and then I open my eyes and it transfers. So I don't even need to put it on my actual eyes, but I was thinking maybe it'll work for brows too. So I'll do a little research and see what I can find out about that. And then the last item here is the Tarte Man Eater Plumping Gloss for $19. So we have $187 for the box, so a pretty good deal. I guess this is a plumping, the plumping gloss, man. For plumper looking lips, this nourishing formula smooths lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volume Plump Complete Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. Do we believe it? Want to try it on, Lily? Let's see what color it is. Does it say? Buff is the shade. Cute packaging. I like the top here. I don't really smell anything. Just trying to see if it has quite a bit of color for gloss, I would say. If I didn't already have that other stuff on my lips, I would have tried that, but I didn't know it was in here. So that is my October Boxycharm Premium. I do still have one base box coming. I think it says it'll be here like Saturday. I don't know. It's been taking forever for my videos to upload, so this is Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, October 18th. So we will see how long it will take me to get this to upload. Seems to be, and I have like a fast internet connection, unless they cut my connection or something. I'm paying $80 a month for internet. So I would expect that would be fast enough to upload a video quick, you know, not take forever. But maybe I'm wrong. I'll have to see. Or maybe they cut it and then just kept the price as high as it is. I'm not exactly sure. Is $80 like a lot to you guys for internet? I mean, I think that's a lot. And it's just me. There's no one else here like that's using up my, you know, that should be working off to like get it to where there's too many devices working. So I don't know why it's taking so long. I have, you know, like I said, a fast internet connection and all that. So we will see if we can get this uploaded in a timely fashion for you guys. So the base box is on its way. That is the one that's coming is my absolute last base box. I canceled that and said, nope, done. And I was looking in the pop-up and it was saying base box in October, base box in October. And there I went like, there was like 7 items and I'm like, I don't want any of these 7 items. And I'm like, I'm probably guaranteed to get at least half of them. One of them is, again, a pair of lashes, and to go with the lashes, the eyeliner, so that it can magnetize on it. So that takes 2 options. And then I don't even know what the other ones were. I knew I was like the lashes and the lash glue magnet, whatever liner stuff is not for me. So I wish they would just ask us, like, do you wear false lashes? Not everyone wears false lashes. So I think that would be a really good question for them to include on their quizzes. But yeah, when I was looking, I was going like, I could do without all of these items. So it made me glad that I did decide to cancel. So I'll still be getting the premium box and the AIA beauty bundle. Yeah, I think that's what that one's called. I've gotten 2 of those so far, and I think those have both been really good. The AIA beauty bundle. So this box, not too bad. I've had worse, I've had better. They haven't really been giving us eyeshadow palettes lately. I wonder what's up with that. Because usually, like, we would always get an eyeshadow palette. But it seems like those are few and far between lately. So anyway, you guys, that's going to do it for the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really can help the channel. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.